An e-commerce agent utilizes an apply store credit tool controlled by a PreToolUse hook that exits with code 2 for amounts exceeding $50. While the guardrail successfully prevents the transaction, logs indicate the agent persistently attempts the same $75 request 4 times without resolution. The hook currently returns a generic blocked error message. How can this be improved to stop the retry cycle? Option A. Shift the logic to a post-tool-use hook so the agent can review the execution result. Option B. Update the error output to detail the $50 limit and suggest using the escalate to human tool instead. Option C. Configure a strict retry limit in the agent loop to force termination after 2 failures. Option D. Deprecate the apply store credit tool and mandate human intervention for all credit-related actions. The correct answer is option B. Update the error output to detail the $50 limit and suggest using the escalate to human tool instead. The retry cycle continues because the agent can't react to a 404 error. The solution is to improve the error message, inform the agent of the limit, and guide it to change its tactics. For example, by using an escalate tool to leverage human output. Shifting the logic to a post-tool-use hook doesn't solve the issue. Forcing termination is less efficient than using a better error message, and deprecating tools is unnecessary since the limit can be fixed in numerous places.
This scenario explores agent loop behavior and error handling within autonomous systems. The challenge here is understanding how an agent interprets feedback when an operation is denied. Agents rely on the information provided in error messages to adjust their decision-making process. When an agent receives only vague feedback, it often lacks the context needed to understand why a specific action is failing or what alternative strategies might be available, which can lead to repetitive, ineffective behavior.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. By providing a descriptive error message that explains the $50 limit and suggests the escalate to human tool, the agent gains the necessary context to understand why its previous attempts were rejected. With this information, the agent can alter its plan and choose a different course of action instead of repeatedly failing with the same request. Option A is incorrect because moving the logic to a post-tool-use hook happens after the tool execution, which does not prevent the initial invalid attempt. Option C is merely a workaround that doesn't fix the agent's lack of awareness. Option D is an overcorrection that removes functionality unnecessarily. When dealing with agent loops, remember that descriptive error handling is crucial for guiding the model toward the correct fallback strategy, rather than simply letting it fail blindly.